Do you know how just in 1 second you can fill empty cells in Excel without dragging them? Just think that most of us is doing in manual way, selecting the cell and dragging it down. But it takes so much time, and just think when you have a lot of data to elaborate. Let's go, I wanna show you the faster way. Just click on the cell of the table, hit Ctrl A, then hit Ctrl G, the window will appear. Here hit on the special and choose blanks. You will immediately notice that you have already the selected cell. Press equal and select region. The last step is press Ctrl Enter. Everything is ready. Just 1 second you got your preferred result. Help to grow the channel. Put your like and subscribe.